sample from Amazon to review for you guys. It's a little dancing puppy. It has a remote control. Has a bunch of different stuff it can do. You can make it dance, you know, left, forward, right, back. This one makes it sit back on its back paws, and this one puts it back forward, and these two can go left and right as well. These are like more short turn buttons. This one's mostly like put it on its heels, and then you could make it spin on its heels with this. So it's pretty cool. I've got a little short video after this to show you how it works, and hopefully you like it. And if you want to get one, I'll put the link in my bio.